Hello there, and we will talk about the Gospel of John. So, pangilang take ko na to. And then, we will talk about the introduction sa Gospel of John and how this Gospel really did help me when I was young till today. So, we will talk about the John. So, first, the introduction is John 1:1. So, may mga questions din tayo dito na dapat natin sagutan. And, hopefully, na ma-share din natin yun na ma-experience din yun na experience ko habang pinag-aaralan namin to. So, John 1:1, in the beginning. So, parehas ng Genesis 1:1, in the beginning, before the earth was made, the Word was there. So, yung tinutukoy na Word, spoilers, the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was there with God in the beginning. So, mas beginning pa so, sa Genesis. So, paano daw kinirate ng Lord yung sanlibutan is, paano kinirate ng Lord, ganito kinirate pala ng Lord ang sanlibutan. He says it with his words. So, kumbaga sa Genesis 1:3, may kita natin na, then God said, let there be light. And then, what happens? Then there was light. So, nagkaroon nga ng liwanag. So, tutuloy tayo sa tanong. So, dito na papasok yung tanong. So, number 1, who is the light that we were talking about? So, may kita natin to sa verse 4 hanggang 9. And we will read this in him there was life, and that life was light for the people of the world. So, kung nasa kanya, meron siyang buhay, at yung buhay na yon ay magliliwanag sa tao sa sanlibutan. So, the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not defeated it. So, ito, ang concept ng, sabihin na nating maintindihan natin lahat. So, in temperatures, we can move up infinitely, but we can't move down than 273 or 272, I think. Lalo na sa Kelvin, no? 273 ata yun. So, the coldest temperature in the world in Kelvin is 0.0000001. So, maintindihan natin na ang lamig nag-i-exist kasi hindi siya mainit. Kumbaga, nag-exist yung lamig kasi absent yung init. So, ganun din sa life, sa human life. Namatay ka, you're dead because you don't have a life. What I mean by this is, ang tawag lang sa absence ng light is darkness. Ang tawag lang din sa absence ng heat is cold. Ang tawag lang din sa absence ng ilaw is dilim. So, hindi matatalo ng dilim ang liwanag. Yung dilim, nag-exist lang siya kasi wala yung liwanag. So, I hope you people understand na nag-exist lang ng dilim kasi yun yung tawag sa dilim. Nag-exist lang yung dilim kasi yun yung tawag sa kanya. Kasi nag-exist siya kasi wala yung liwanag. So, number 6 na tayo. So, there was a man named John who was sent by God. He came to tell people about the light. Through him, all people could hear about the one who is the light and believe in him. So, just John was not the light. So, clarification that John was not the light, but he came to tell people about the light. So, number 9, the pinakauling verse is the true light, the one who brings light to all people, was about to make his appearance to the world. So, this is just the introduction. So, ang tinutukoy na light dito, sino ba? Si Jesus. Makita natin siya sa John 8:12. So, sa 8:12, Jesus said, once again, Jesus talk about the people. He said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follow me will never live in the darkness. In darkness, they will have the light that gives life. So, mas madali natin maintindihan, si Jesus ang liwanag. So, nasagot na natin yung the question number 1. So, who is the light? So, makita din natin siya sa John 8:12 na si Jesus ang liwanag, at since si Jesus ang liwanag, then si Jesus pala ay ang salita ng Diyos, at ang yung relationship nito, kumbaga, si Jesus is light, and the light gives life. So, we were talking about the light that gives lives, but the light is also the Word. So, we as Christians, we live by our light, and this is our life. So, this is also our bread. So, spoilers sa future topic natin. So, this is our light. Jesus is our life. Jesus is our life. And our life is also the world, which is also Jesus. So, lahat yun magkakakonekta, and we will always fall down here sa gospel ng Lord. So, I hope you understand. So, that is the first question is, who is the light? And the light is Jesus Christ. Next question. Hopefully, mas mai-clarify pa natin to since we will study it a little bit. Thank you.